Hi friends, happy Thursday. Welcome back to Phonemic Awareness for today. Today for your lesson, you will need find the picture activity sheet from your work packet and a pencil. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right friends, welcome back. Today we're going to work on our learning target. Looks like a lot of words, but I have a small paper to write on. It says, I can use my reading strategies to read the words in each sentence. So we're going to practice using our reading strategies, stretchy snake, where we stretch out the words, we sound out each letter, and also knowing our sight words or our popcorn words to help us read each of the sentences on this activity sheet. Once we read the sentences, then like we did yesterday, we're going to match the sentence to the picture so that it makes sense. So before we get started, let's go over our popcorn words that we're going to see today, or our sight words, the words that we should read as fast as popcorn pops. So this is the, is, can, a, has. Very good job. Now, let's take a look at some words that we can stretch out to practice stretching out some words on our own. First, we're going to use our blending arm. So let's stretch out this word on our arm. What's the word? Sun. And our word matches our picture, so we know we're right. Let's stretch this one out. When I tap each letter, I want you to say the sound. What's the word? Run. Run. Good. Let's do two more. It. Hit. Good job. And last one, let's stretch this one out on our arm. Rag. Excellent job. So we just use our stretchy snake strategy using our blending arm, or just by saying the sounds as I tap the letters to help us stretch out the words. So let's take a look at our sentences, okay? Before we read those, let's look at our pictures. So we have a picture of a man with scissors, a sun, a girl with a kite, and a cat, okay? Now, notice each of these are sentences. We don't have any question marks at the end of our sentence. We know these are sentences because they start with a capital letter, there are finger spaces between each word, and there's a period at the end. So, I'm going to read actually the first sentence with you, and then I want you to read the rest on your own. And as we read the first sentence, I want you to follow along on your paper, touching each word, starting with the first one. Ready? It says, the sun is hot. The sun is hot. Great. So what picture will we draw our line to? Tell my finger to stop on that picture. Stop. Very good. It makes sense to draw a line from the sentence to the sun. So let's do that. Remember yesterday how when we drew a line, I made a dot next to each thing I was going to draw my line from. So I have a dot next to my first sentence and a dot next to the sun, and now I'm going to connect the dots to show this sentence matches this picture, okay? I want you to do the rest on your own. If you get stuck and can't remember what the popcorn word is, rewind the video where we went over each of the words, the sight words, and that will help you read those words that are rule breakers, that when you stretch them out, they don't sound right in each sentence, okay? Keep up the great work, friends. I'll see you tomorrow for your next Phonemic Awareness lesson.